A very good morning to our headmistress, senior assistants, teachers, and my fellow pupils. In conjunction with our English week, our assembly will be conducted in English. The online assembly of SJKC Thung Hon Tualang will begin now. Stand straight. Our assembly will proceed with the singing of National Anthem, Perak State Anthem, and our school song. Next, let's recite the principles of Rukun Negara.
A. Kepercayaan kepada Tuhan, kesetiaan kepada Raja dan Negara, keluhuran perlembagaan, ketaatan undang-undang, kesopanan dan kesusilaan, 信奉上苍，忠于军国。 维护宪法，遵从法治，培养德行。
Without further ado, I would like to invite Senior Assistant of Co-Curriculum, Miss Chia, to give her speech.
A very good morning to our headmistress, Madam C, senior assistants, teachers and pupils. Welcome back to school for Group B's pupils. Below are some safety tips for returning to school during COVID-19. Practice social distancing, wear a mask and keep your hands clean. Miss Chia hopes that all of you can stay healthy and study happily at school. Besides that, all school competitions for this year were completed successfully. Million thanks to pupils who actively participated in these competitions and congratulations to all the winners. I hope all of you can keep up the good work next year. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Chia. Moving on, I would like to invite Senior Assistant of Student Affairs, Madam Ng, to give her speech.
A very good morning to the headmistress, senior assistants, teachers and pupils. I will want to share with you how to wear a mask. First, before putting on the mask, children should clean your hands for at least 20 seconds if using an alcohol-based hand rub, or at least 40 seconds if using soap and water. Second, make sure the mask is the right size to cover your nose, mouth, and chin. Third, children should not touch the front of the mask. Next, put it under the chin or cover your mouth and definitely not shake it. Lastly, after taking off your mask, you should store it into bag or container and clean your hand. With these simple tips, you can stay safe while wearing your mask. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Ng. Next, I would like to invite Senior Assistant of Curriculum, Madam Kong, to give her speech.
A very good morning to our headmistress, Madam C, senior assistants, teachers, and all my fellow pupils. This is the second week of returning to school. Dear Group B's pupils, welcome back to face-to-face classes. Nice to meet you all. I hope that you will enjoy physical classes. Group A's pupils, it is your turn to undergo self-directed home-based learning this week. Kind reminder for Group A's pupils and pupils who will not attend face-to-face classes. Please refer the self-study timetable and log in Google Classroom to complete the homework assigned. Please be self-disciplined. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Kong. Now, I would like to invite our headmistress, Madam C, to give her speech.
Good morning, everyone. You are welcome to our school assembly. Let's make it a good day today. I'm so happy to share with all of you what about self-discipline. Self-discipline is the ability to push yourself forward, stay motivated, and take action regardless of how you're feeling physically or emotionally. Dear students, please follow these 6 steps to start developing your self-discipline. Step number 1, know your strengths and weaknesses. Step number 2, know when you are motivated. Step number 3, recognize your downfalls. Step number 4, stay positive. Step number 5, get support. And step number 6, get better at time management. Believe it, self-discipline is a key to success. Think positive and use your mistakes to your advantage. A positive mind and aptitude go a long way towards your success as a student. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam C. With that, the assembly has come to an end. Thank you, everyone.